Welcome to the relaunch of the Voice of the Global Filipino podcast. Tomorrow, before the Filipino Diaspora Summit 2026, I find myself reflecting on a journey that began many years ago, not as a social entrepreneur, not as a founder, not as a podcast host, but as an overseas Filipino worker. Like millions of Filipinos around the world, I carried with me hopes, dreams, challenges, and a deep desire to contribute to something bigger than myself. That journey eventually led me to become part of the Global Filipino Diaspora Council, where I witnessed firsthand the extraordinary impact that Filipinos abroad can make in advancing our nation's cultural, economic, and social development. Today, I believe that story deserves to be told more than ever, and that is why the Voice of the Global Filipino podcast returns. The Filipino diaspora is more than a source of remittances. It is a global community of leaders, innovators, and change makers. As a former OFW, I'm relaunching the Voice of the Global Filipino podcast to celebrate untold stories, amplify Filipino voices worldwide, and strengthen our shared commitment to nation building and positive impact. To every Filipino living overseas, to every former OFW, to every leader, entrepreneur, creator, professional, and change maker, this platform is for you. Your story matters, your voice matters, your contribution matters. Together, let us continue building bridges across borders and creating impact that reaches far beyond ourselves. This is Mary Jane Solomon, and this is the Voice of the Global Filipino.